Want to know how to install a Facebook pixel on EverWebinar? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through this simple process that can help you track and optimize your ads, bringing you better results and insights. By the end of this, you'll be able to set up the Facebook pixel in no time. Before we dive in, let me tell you, if you're not already using EverWebinar, you can grab it completely free right now through the exclusive link below. Plus, we're offering some awesome bonuses when you use that link, so don't miss out. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is your Facebook Pixel ID. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create it in your Facebook Ads Manager. To do this, go to the Events Manager section, click on Pixels, and either create a new pixel or copy an existing one. Once you've got your Pixel ID, you're ready to move forward. Next, let's hop over to your EverWebinar account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section and then select Facebook Pixel. Once you're there, you'll see a space to input your Pixel ID. Paste the ID you copied earlier into that field. It's a simple copy-paste action, but it's crucial for tracking your EverWebinar traffic and audience behavior. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once you've connected your pixel, you can track specific events like webinar registrations, starts, and completions. To do this, EverWebinar allows you to add custom events by clicking on Advanced Settings within the Facebook Pixel section. You can set up specific tracking parameters, like when someone registers for your webinar or attends it, so you can build a more detailed audience for retargeting. The fourth thing to note is that EverWebinar provides you with some really useful integration options. You can integrate your pixel with webinar reminders, post-webinar pages, and more to track every step of your funnel. This can give you critical insights into how your ads are performing and where you need to make improvements to get the most out of your traffic. Now, after you've done all of this, it's time to test everything to make sure it's working. Go back into your Facebook Ads Manager, click on Test Events under the Pixel section, and then visit your webinar page to see if your pixel is firing correctly. If everything's set up right, you'll see your pixel firing events in real time. If it's not working, go back and double-check your setup to ensure everything is entered correctly. Before we wrap this up, just a quick reminder, if you want to use EverWebinar, you can access it for free through the link in the description below. And don't forget, with that link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!